text for the rest of the line following hash mark is comment. Next, it also Python also ignores a blank line, correct, after the comment. That means you can just write hash. So that will be taken as after that it is a blank line, means it is also considered as a blank line, correct. So that means you can add any number of blank lines in the program. So if you see the textbook, the text will be written like a paragraph wise, correct. So there you can see the spaces. For that also you can use this blank comment line hash. Okay. So this is the first line in that program. Next one is print. So why we have used that print function in the program? I've executed that print function, correct? Why it is used? What will happen when you use print function? Hmm? Why print function is used?
To display the message inside the parenthesis.
Whatever you will write inside that function within the code, single quote will be displayed on the screen, correct. So here print function will display the string value inside it parenthesis on the screen. You can see in an example there are two print statements or print function. In the first one, print hello world. If you observe that hello world is written within a single quote. Similarly, if you see the second print, it is written what is your name inside that. Again, that string is or statement is written within a single quote. So whatever you will write inside the print, inside the single quote will be printed on the screen. So here the line print hello world means the print, it will print out the text in the string hello world. So when a Python executes the line, you say that Python is calling the print function, the string value is passed to the function. The value that is passed to the function call is an argument. So whatever you'll pass inside the parenthesis to a function, that will be taken as an argument, correct. So one more difference you can observe is notice that the codes are not printed on the screen. So I'll show the output of that. Okay, see here. If you in the interactive shell, if you give a word hello within a single quote, the output is same. That means the single quote is also printed. But if you give print function within inside that hello within a single quote, whether single quote is printed there.
No,
Whether single quote is no. This is a
no.
difference. Okay, when you use a print function, it will not print the single quote. Instead, it will print only the text or statement which is written inside the print function. But while writing the print, you should use single quote. Clear? So the use of that single quote in the print function is it will just begin. It will mark the beginning and ending of the string, but it is not a part of the string value. So similarly, we can also use this print function, put a blank line on the screen. That is by typing just print and parenthesis. What is the output now? What is the output we got?
Blank.
A blank line.